Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency, and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google, and that's in order to bring you more business. Now, I was doing a search result for Charleston Roofing, which I know you're in several locations, but this is one of the locations where you're wanting to do business. And on page 1 or at the top are some ads. This is the map pack. Then you get into the organic rankings where you'll notice some of your competitors. Charleston Roof, this is a directory. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roofing Windows, some of folks that you probably know. And so I was looking for your company, and I found it back on page 4. Down, here we go, Alpha Omega Incorporated. And as you probably know, 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results. So most of the business, or for new customers, is going to these companies. So most businesses that's like to get on the first page so that they can get a piece of that market share. And so I went to your site just to see what you're doing good and what we could do differently, just to offer some suggestions. And comes up, and you got some content there, a couple of headings, and contact page, that kind of thing. So one of the things that Google looks for is trust. Can they trust a site? Because they are in it for the end user. They want to rank sites at the top that they know they can trust in order to provide a good experience for the people searching. So they look at the heading tags as number 1, and so we put your URL in, came up residential roofing in Charleston, and Google likes to see for your number 1 heading to be the city and then the keyword. And so if you could just change that to one thing, that'll help boost your ranking just by doing that, because it'll be congruent with what people are searching for. Hopefully that makes sense. Also, your metadata, we extracted that, pulls up your title tag. This is what shows up in the blue line on the search, and if you can make that congruent with what people are searching for as well, that's going to boost your rankings too. So you could just make that Charleston Roofing, have you like one of these vertical lines, and then put the name of your company, and then residential roofing. You've got 72 characters to fill in, but start out and prioritize Charleston Roofing, name of your company, and then go from there. The black line is just a description. So those are just a couple things that you could do on your own. If you'd like any help with that, just reply back to me. But hopefully that adds some value to you. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thanks. Have a good day.